Alright, what's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to a new video. In today's video, I actually got a mod. So this is one of my first mods for the 135. It's right over here. I got some air intake scoops from One Vision Performance. They gave me some cool stickers as well, but here are the scoops, just so you guys can kind of see them. All right, guys, let's go ahead and start getting these installed. They shouldn't be that hard. They go in here, so I think I'm just gonna take these off real quick. Try to get it in without having to take off the bumper, because that's just gonna be an extra pain. So we'll see if I can fit it in through there. If not, I'll go ahead and take off the bumper. Let's go ahead and get started. It also came with some decals too. I think I'm gonna throw this one up on my window. I also have a Save a BMW decal that I've never put on, so I'm gonna go ahead and put that on as well. I'll do that after though. Let's go ahead and take these. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and get started. What you're gonna need is a T20, and pretty much what you're gonna do is you're gonna go around, take these off, bam, like that. And we're gonna take these off, and then the scoop should go underneath this. I'm just gonna put on a time lapse so you guys can see. All right, cool, we got these little screws off. All right, there. So I got this off, and now the scoops are actually gonna go underneath. So right under here, they're gonna go in here so that you can actually see them through the grills. It should look way better, but I think I'm gonna go ahead and clean this part off real quick because I don't like how dirty that is. I'm just gonna be using some purple power, nothing crazy. So guys, if you don't know the function of air scoops, what it does is it's both a cosmetic mod and it helps with the airflow, directing the air to the actual filters. So it's really good when you have stock filters on, but it still helps when you have like the cone intakes. But pretty much what it does is you're gonna put it in here, just like this. Perfect. For the most part, I'm gonna have to finesse it too, just like that. And so what it does is it sucks air into the actual intake, whatever you want to call this. I don't really know the name of it, but it pretty much takes the air, pushes it through here. So it just helps grab more air, because otherwise it would just hit the actual radiator and condenser. So this should help with performance. I don't know if it actually adds any horsepower, but it definitely adds air, and air is always good to have in your engine. All right, there, now it's sitting on. Looks pretty good. Let me go from back here. It's kind of hard to see. It's kind of dark. But the good thing about these ones, oh there, that's perfect. The good thing about these ones is these ones are powder coated also, which is really nice quality. They're great quality. Way better than the plastic ones that you can find for like 30 bucks. Now these ones are definitely like 10 times better in quality. We actually have some up here, like made out of like plastic, 3D printed. Open these real quick to show you the difference. All right guys, so these are actually for like the E9X chassis. So these are definitely a little bit bigger, as you can see. These are meant for the 1 Series, but they also have them in 3 Series, and they have everything. They're working on the F chassis as well, so that's cool. But I don't know if you guys can tell, but this is like plastic, 3D printed plastic. We've had them break on us, crack. These are made out of nice metal, really great quality, powder coated and everything. I'll try to get some good pictures for you guys later. Let's go ahead and take this side off as well and clean this. Let's go ahead and clean this off. All right guys, we got the first one in. It's all nice and secure. Screwed it down. Okay, so pretty much what you gotta do is you kinda gotta finesse it. You gotta hold it back, so you gotta push it back a little bit, and then put this plastic piece over, and then make sure this is fitting properly as well. And it just takes a little bit of finesse, nothing too crazy. Very, very easy install. I'm glad I didn't have to take off the bumper, because that would have just been a big pain. Didn't have to take out the kidney grills either. So let's go ahead and move on to the next side, and I'll kind of show you guys what I did. So pretty much I pushed it back as far as possible like that to where it holds. Okay, perfect. Grab the piece. And you want to make sure this is lined up as well, because there's like little holes right here. So make sure that's all lined up. You want to put this side in first, so dipping down like that while not moving that too much. Cool. Oh, see, it moved. I'm gonna put you guys on the tripod. Cool. As you can see, it's fitting really, really nice. I like that fitment. It's very easy to do. It took me like 10 minutes. Might have to fix this part right here. All right, there we go, guys. We got them both on now, nice and secured. Go ahead and give a little push. Yep, perfect. Perfect. All right. Now it's kind of hard to see in this lighting, but oh wow, that looks really good actually. Oh, I'm excited. Let's put this outside into the light and then see what it looks like outside. Before we take the car out, let's go ahead and put on these decals. I think I'm gonna put this decal on first. I don't know if I'll mess with this one, maybe in the future, but I definitely want to put this smaller one on. So I got a little bit of rubbing alcohol. I'm gonna put it on just to make sure that it can stick properly. I think we're gonna do it right here. Let's grab the decal, put it on. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Right next to it, right above it. What do you think, above or below or next to it? I'll put it above. We'll put it above, just like that. I think that looks good. Ooh, let's get some heat on it just to make sure it extra sticks. Oh, that looks good. All right, cool. All right, guys. I know you can't see it, but I got a Fitted Racing sticker right here. And I also got the One Vision Performance sticker. Decal, not sticker, decal. But let's go ahead and get some pictures of these as well. Also, I'm gonna go and do a photo shoot with the new air scoops. Close this. I'm gonna do a photo shoot when it gets a little bit darker. I wanna do it right around golden hour. So I'll bring you guys along with me for that. And I'll throw up some of the pictures that I get. Hopefully they come out sick. Thank you for letting me borrow this, John. Ooh, actually, let's go ahead and put on, should I put on the Save a BMW one as well? I'm a little bit late. Let's go ahead and put it on. That looks sick. Bro, I need another Fitted Racing one right here. A white one or what? A white one. Do you have a white one? Put it over it so it can look like the... Ooh, yeah. You have one? Hey, hey, there we go, there we go. So we got the Fitted Racing one. This one's white, yeah. So we'll put it over because I already have the black one on here, but you can't even see it because the windows are tinted. It's hard to see. I think like that.
Send it. You gotta send it.
You gotta send it? All right, well, I think I messed up, but I think it's a little bit too low. Some heat on it. Yeah, I think it's a little bit too low, but actually, it looks good. Dang, dude. That looks sick. Gotta represent the boy. Here you know. We also got the Save a BMW one, guys. Right over here. Save a BMW. Should I put it above or below next to the side? I think that would look weird. You think side? I also need my Instagram handle. What do you think? All right, let's put it on the side. All right, guys, we're putting on all the decals now. It's almost like it's fully modified. Yeah, right? Every sticker adds 5 horsepower. All right, I think that's good. Oh, it's too late now. All right, well, we're gonna go with it. All right, guys, so we got the decals on. One Vision Performance, which is the air scoops. We got Fitted Racing, which is my boy John. He's actually working right now. And then we also got the hashtag Save a BMW, which I finally got on. I've actually had this decal for like a while. I just never got around to doing it, but I think that looks sick. Let's go ahead and get some pictures. All right, guys, so I'm gonna wait a little bit before I leave to take the pictures of the car with the new intake air scoops. And then I also got the decals. I'll get some pictures of the decals, but right now it's still too bright outside. So for you, it'll be instant, but for me, I'm gonna have to wait like 2 hours. But let's just go ahead and show you guys again. There we go, perfect. Perfect, looks really, really nice. I like it. Great little performance mod, helps grab air into your intakes. They also look really, really good. You can get them in all different sorts of colors. I decided to go black because it's powder coated, but you could also get like white, red, blue, green, yellow. I think like almost every single color. But I just like how subtle it is, but it also looks really, really cool. But yeah, let's go ahead and cut to me taking some pictures. See you guys then. What's going on, guys? Now it is golden hour almost. I'm recording on my phone because I need to take pictures with my camera. But we're going over to literally my favorite location to shoot. It's by this airport really close to us. You can go right up next to the airplanes and like take really nice pictures next to them. If you guys have seen my Instagram, seen my pictures off of Instagram, a lot of my pictures are taken there. It's a sick spot. It's definitely one of my favorite spots to shoot. Seriously, it's so nice. I don't know. And it's so close, 5 minutes away. And right now it's perfect because my headlights, because of my FRM, are like all messed up. So I can't really go far when it's golden hour because my headlights don't work. So I have to time it really good, and this is 5 minutes away. So worst case, I can drive. The headlights blink, so worst case, I drive like that. It's not that big of a deal. Take some nice pictures, and we'll conclude the video. I'll get some nice pictures of the actual intake scoops, because that's what this whole video is all about. Not for me just taking pictures randomly, even though I'll probably add some of that. But yeah, we're actually almost there. Also, my lifters are acting up. So I don't know if you guys saw the last video, but the lifters, I don't know if you can, it's really hard to hear unless you're actually inside the car. I don't know if the mic will pick it up. Maybe a little bit, you guys could hear it, but It's pretty normal for these cars, unfortunately. There's not much you can do. There's like a certain way, like you have to like do an oil change and like drive it at a certain RPM. I can't even remember. Let me know if you guys know what it is. I guess we'll have to deal with it for now. I know I ramble on sometimes, but we are almost there. See the airplanes over there? Oh, there's nobody there. It's literally perfect time. Literally my favorite spot to shoot. Like, come on, dude, there's an airplanes right here. Like, bro, there's nobody ever here. There's donut marks. I don't know. Oh my God, guys, we're literally right next to the airplanes. Like, look how crazy this is. I'm just chilling in my car. Aerospace Museum of California, check it out. Airplanes, chilling. It is pretty sunny right now, but I think we might be able to get some sick pictures in like 10 minutes. Like there's this really weird gap here where you got like 10 to 15 minutes to shoot, and then it gets too dark, and right now it's too bright. So 15 minutes. I'm also not gonna turn off my car because my car was actually dead for some reason. Like I drove it today already and it's like, it died. So I think I need a new battery, which kind of sucks because that's like $100 right there. Airplane that's on back there, so that's kind of loud. But today we are shooting on my Sony a6300 with the Sigma 30mm 1.4. I also have a CPL filter, polarizing filter. Really good for car photography. Alright guys, I'm gonna set you up because it's hard for me to take pictures and record at the same time. Alright guys, so I got a few pictures. I'm gonna keep taking pictures. It's just really hard for me to record and take pictures at the same time. I want to move the car over to the middle, get those like lines, like those crispy little like drift lines over there. Right over there, I want to get those lines in the picture. I think that would look really, really cool. But it's almost perfect sunlight. A little bit of harsh shadows. You can see the shadow of the car. It's supposed to be no shadows of the car. We're gonna wait a little bit longer, see what happens. But I'm gonna go move over there. All right, so I'm done with the photo shoot. I got some cool pictures. It was kind of hard to get some of the ones with the actual intake scoops. I think you can see them on this one. Obviously I have to edit these. Pretty much we got some pictures. I'm gonna go back to the shop and I'll catch you guys when I'm at the shop. Alright guys, so this is the end of the video. I do want to let you guys know that I do have a discount code for you guys. I'll throw it up on the screen right here. This is good for $5 off of your purchase of one of these air scoops. They are roughly $80 per air scoop depending on which model you get. They got the E9X, they have the E9X chassis, the E8X chassis, and they're working on all different types of BMWs. He said that he's going to be working on F chassis as well, so look out for that. But anyway guys, if you guys do want some of these air scoops, make sure you guys use the code JW2020. But hey guys, anyway, if you want to see more of these install videos, let me know. It's kind of like a DIY how-to, yet I try to keep it entertaining. If you guys like this style, let me know. Anyway guys, remember to stay safe, stay happy, and stay in that BMW. I'll catch you guys later.